In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monarch Money, your ultimate beginner's guide for 2025. If you're looking to take control of your finances with a comprehensive money management tool, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Monarch Money website. You can easily find it with a quick search. Once there, you're going to see either a sign up button or an option that says continue with Google. This gives you some flexibility. If you prefer using your existing Google credentials for an easy sign-up process, go ahead and choose that. After you've made your selection, you'll want to click on Continue. This step is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll soon be moving forward. Now is the time to enter your full name. Make sure it's accurate as it will be associated with your account moving forward. If you're managing finances with someone else, such as a partner, check the option for a joint account. It's designed to streamline the process of tracking shared expenses and goals. After you've set this, click on Continue yet again. You'll find yourself prompted to click Continue a few times throughout the setup. While it might seem repetitive, it's simply guiding you through necessary initial steps. Each click is bringing you closer to setting up your personalized dashboard. Now, ensure you go over some checking options that allow for customization of your account settings. Review what's presented and confirm the selections that match your personal financial needs. Next, prepare to enter your card number. Rest assured, Monarch Money uses encryption and promises confidentiality when handling your financial information. Once that's securely added, you can start your free 7-day trial. This trial offers a full-fledged experience of all the premium features without commitment upfront. You'll then see an option to skip for now. This is a good fit if you're unsure about immediately connecting other financial details. Just know you can always return to these sections later as you become more comfortable. For those who are ready to dive deeper into making the most of Monarch Money's offerings, you can connect your bank and credit card accounts. This setup enables seamless tracking of your expenses and incomes. However, if you prefer managing certain accounts independently, you have the option to set up a manual account. This flexibility lets you tailor your experience exactly to your preference. There you have it, a complete process to get you started with Monarch Money. By following these detailed steps, you're well on your way to managing your finances with greater transparency and efficacy. I hope this guide helps you kickstart your journey to better financial health. Remember, all these small steps lead to smarter money decisions in the long run. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.